The development of the new Akeron LP anti-tank missile under the MAST-F program, managed by the European Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation, (OCCAR), for France, has encountered an unexpected problem. There is currently no suitable platform for launching it. Despite successful long-range firing tests, the issue of preparing the necessary launch platforms remains unresolved. The recent test at the Essays de Missile Firing Range, conducted under the supervision of the French Ministry of Defense's DGA, Defense Procurement Agency, marked an important milestone in evaluating the Akeron LP missile system. The goal of the tests was to confirm the missile's stability during typical trajectory flights, as well as the functionality of its propulsion system and the wing and fin deployment mechanisms. The missile is intended to replace the outdated AGM-114 or Hellfire II and, according to plans, to be used on modernized Eurocopter Tiger Mk.3 helicopters. However, this situation presents a significant problem. The modernization of the Tiger Mk.3 helicopters was halted after analyzing lessons learned from combat in Ukraine. One of the conclusions was that integrating the Akeron LP missile into the new helicopter variant could take too long. As a result, the decision was made to scale back ambitions and switch to the Mk.2+ version, focusing on the use of combat drones rather than anti-tank missiles. Thus, the project faces a paradox. The missile continues to be developed, but there are issues with launching it from existing platforms. The question remains, either MBDA hopes for the eventual revival of the Tiger Mk.3 modernization program, or they are looking for alternative options, including export contracts and integration of the missile with other helicopters. It is also possible that the Akeron LP could be adapted for use with ground-based launchers. The Akeron LP missile has a launch range of up to 20 kilometers in air-to-ground mode, but on the ground, this range is reduced to 8 kilometers. Despite this, the missile remains competitive, offering high accuracy thanks to its camera that transmits images to the operator via radio signal, and artificial intelligence-based algorithms for fire and forget guidance. This allows the missile to effectively target moving targets, even without constant operator control. In addition to the Akeron LP, the Akeron missile family includes the Akeron MP version, which was designed from the start for use by infantry, armored vehicles, and naval forces from inflatable boats. This version has a much shorter range of 4 kilometers and is controlled via an optical cable, providing additional possibilities for deployment. Thus, despite the success of the tests and the promising characteristics of the Akeron LP missile, the issue of launch platforms remains a significant challenge. This raises questions about possible changes in strategy and new opportunities for integrating this high-tech system into the armed forces of different countries.